Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. So today, I think I'm going to start me an affirmation journal. I found this little notebook from at Michael's. It was $3.99 and I had a 40% off a regular price coupon. So it was very, very cheap and it's really small. I threw away the cover before I could look and see the size of it, but this is an A6 Stylogy. So compared to an A6 Stylogy, it's pretty small. It's a tiny little notebook. And I'm going to use it as my affirmation journal. And probably won't be writing anything in this. I just will be just decorating it, putting quotes in it, and something I can flip back through. If I need some motivation, right? So this front page, I am gonna probably make something on my Cricut that says my little affirmation journal or something like that. Haven't decided yet, but here's the first page, and grabbed a couple of things. I grabbed this washi from Simply Gilded. All right. This is my little sticker book where I print different things. I got scripts in here, but I have some quotes in here I'm going to use. I also pull Summer Florals from Kell of a Plan. This was on clearance. I'm not sure if it still is, but it was 40% off on clearance. So, and then I have this PET tape from Wrong. This is the Black Girl Magic PET tape. And I'm just going to use one of the girls in here. They're really tiny. So I thought they would be perfect to use in my little affirmation journal. All right. So let's see. I think I'm going to put this washi down first. I love Simply Gilded washi. I don't have a lot of it, but I do love the washi. So does everybody else, apparently. Right. This is my little tool here I got from Amazon. Right. And let's see if I could see if I can tear this off. It feels awkward the way I'm doing it, but there we go. All right. So that's the bigger washi. And I'm going to take the smaller washi. Uh-oh, I hit the camera. I better bring it in a little bit more. Right. It's awkward on this side because it's not a spiral journal. So it's a little awkward. But I'll get through it. Right. Let's see. I put this one down here. Let me make sure I'm not too far. Let me turn it. Maybe that's better. I don't want to be off the page. And I feel like that's what I'm doing, going off the page. All right. Hopefully that's straight. But you know me, I'm not. Sometimes not being straight bothers me. Other times, not so much. All right, so I got the washi down. Awkwardly tearing it off here. All right. So let's see what's next. So next, I think I'm going to grab one of the girls. I took the outer part off, the outer cover off of this PET tape. I just didn't pull this off because it holds it together. But you have to be careful when you're taking this off because it will peel up stickers. All right. See if I can hold on to it and put it back. So let me show you really quick this PET tape. So it's just all girls. And it starts here with her. So many girls. Wow. Look how many girls it is on here. And then it starts back over with her. And I hope you can see that. I know it's a little dark, but it starts back over with her. So you have all of these girls before it starts over. All right. All right, I won't make you watch me fold that back up or roll that back up. All right. So let me grab my book again. And I'm just going to use the first one on here. Peel her off. And these are matte. These stickers peel off so well. Right. So I'm going to put her here. I'm going to find a quote. And I have quote books. I have Amber Plans Her Day, Black Quotes Volume 2. I also have Kell of a Plan, Rainbow Quotes, I think the name of it is. But here's some. I made these for a friend, but they were too big. I was giving her one of these as well, and they were too big to fit, so I just kept these for myself and made her some other ones. All right, so just gonna look through here and see. I think I have the one that I'm gonna use, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna use this Begin Each Day with a Grateful Heart. But it's you got this, be happy, do what makes you happy. You are loved, you are enough. Oh, I might use that one. Good things take time, so I'm gonna set this aside. All good things come with gratitude, slay the day, always stay positive, be the energy you want to attract, work hard. And I got these off of Creative Fabrica. They were already stickers. All I had to do was print them and cut them with my Cricut. Never give up, keep going, make yourself a priority, dream big. Good vibes, focus on the good. Good things are coming. Always be kind. Dear person behind me, the world is a better place with you in it. And dear person behind me, you are amazing. All right, so which one? I think I'm going to start with you are loved and you are enough. I hope these cut well. I call myself sending them to somebody. I think my blade is getting dull on my Cricut. So where do I want to put it? I want to put it here. I think I want to put it here. You are loved and you are enough. All right. And then I want to see if there's some florals that will match in this Hell of a Plan book. So let's see. These might be close. Everything else, no, they got too many other colors in it. Yeah, I think those are going to be the closest. Yeah. All right, so let's grab some of these. I think my neighbors upstairs have a sewing machine, which is fine with me. I love sewing. I like this because it matches her head wrap. All right, so let's grab this floral and put it down. One thing about this floral, the white, the clear part is there's so much. So let me see if I can cut this, cut around it. Maybe a little bit smaller. Okay. All right. So the goal is not to, fill up the page or anything like that. The goal is just to make it cute. And, just put down some affirmations each day. I may not use washi tape every time. May not use florals every time. I'll definitely be using the girls because I feel like they are a perfect size for this. I don't think I've printed any this small. So I'll definitely be using this PET tape from Wrong. All right, so I'll link everything in the description box below. I'm not an affiliate for Wrong or Hell of a Plan, but I do have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica. All right, so thank you so much for watching on the start of my affirmation journal. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.